Hello, how are you? My name is Hernan Arias, a telecommunication engineer student. I am 37 years old. I live in the city of Dos Quebradas. I am the father of the beautiful child. I am happily married and I really enjoy traveling by bicycle. I work in the coffee region, applying the knowledge acquired. I love learning and being able to help my community. Talking about my daily activities. What activities do you do every day? I work directing an electronic security service company. What do you eat for breakfast? I almost always love eggs for breakfast. Where do you work and how do you go to work? I work as a project leader in an electronic security service company. Do you prepare your food for lunch? My wife cook food for me. What time are you coming back home? I usually get home to 6 o'clock to study. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to sleep at 12 o'clock at night. What do you do on weekends? Normally, I dedicate myself to studying, working, and cycling. When you go out, what do you do? Don't sit. I like to cycling. What is the typical food and in your city? In the city, the typical food I think is the paisa fry. What are the main celebrations in your city town? The main festivities are the harvest festivities and the Christmas festivities. Thank you very much.